For 75 years, the American Research Center in Egypt has worked to protect, conserve, and support research on Egyptian cultural heritage. Founded in 1948, ARCE began with a vision of establishing a world-class research center to bring together Egyptian and American scholars. In partnership with the Egyptian Ministry of Tourism and Antiquities, along with almost 50 research-supporting member institutions across the United States, ARCE has completed over 95 conservation projects, funded more than 800 research fellows, and awarded more than $10 million in grants through its Antiquities Endowment Fund. The future of the American Research Center in Egypt is its newly acquired headquarters. With modern library facilities, classrooms, and laboratories, ARCE is primed to make significant contributions to enhance academic research and cultural exchange for the years to come. As we celebrate 75 years of accomplishments, we are both reminded of our past and are excited for the future.